Well, okay, hi folks, it's Dane at Jonah Guitars. I'm going to be delivering this guitar today. This is the Acoustic 12 fret triple O. So I really like these cases. I've got getting them at Crossrock. They're very nice. I got a couple for some electric guitars that are going out. Got the slot head, the mother of pearl whale inlay, and then the diamond frets. This is very close to a Martin. It's from a Martin plan. So the pyramid bridge, ebony pins, bone saddle, and nut. Sorry about the hand holding. I know that's always a little freakier. And then just put the label in. And so it's a Engelmann spruce top. The mahogany in the back and the side set was 80 years old when I got it, and that's been 5 years ago, so it's at least 85-year-old material. The mahogany neck, it's just a scarf joint mahogany neck with ebony fretboard. I also have a logo on the back there, Jonah USA. Grover tuners here. Good quality stuff. Anyway, it's going out. Lady has family here in Mount Shasta, and she's up from Washington. Donna, she's gonna get this thing to take home with her. So very high. Oh, and I put a pick guard on from the last time you saw it. I'm not gonna play it because there is a demo up on my channel with this guitar, and a friend of mine, Ryan, played it, and he did a very nice job. So I don't see any reason to detract from that. Also have a Pure Mini pickup in this, Pure K Mini, the three little discs under the bridge plate. Anyway, those are absolutely great pickups. So that's it. This one's going out today, and I'll miss it. It's got some really nice wood in it. And I'm very happy with this guitar. It sounds great, plays very well, and just can't keep them all. I got its twin hanging up right here that's getting ready to fit the saddle on that one, and then put tuners in it and string it up. So there you go. Nice short video. Be sure to like, subscribe, do something that makes people watch these. And if you watched past the 17-second point, I guess where most people turn off at, congratulations. You're a person of high intelligence and intellect. All right. Thanks for the look, folks. Take care.